Hi, I'm David, the founder of Renegade Soundplay. I've spent my career developing great products for companies like Line 6 and Mode Music. Today I'm here to tell you about my first product under my own brand, HiScore. HiScore is a virtual instrument that lets you recreate the sounds and music of old computers and video games from the 1980s without having to use old hardware or hard-to-use tracker programs. With HiScore, you are not limited to the sounds of any one vintage computer or game system. HiScore's 3-wave generators allow you to mix and match sounds, create intervals and chords, and more. Plus, the custom wave editor allows you to make your own vintage lo-fi sounds with ease. Play complex arpeggios at the press of a single key with the step arpeggiator. The dual 16-step patterns sequence pitch, waveform, filter cutoff, and more. You can even chain the two patterns together to make one large 32-step pattern. Best of all, it's key switchable for playing in real time. If it's retro sound effects that you are after, HiScore has you covered. The factory library is chock full of awesome retro sounds. HiScore speaks. It comes with speech sounds built in. One of the exclusive Kickstarter backer rewards is to have the word or phrase of your choice sampled into HiScore for all eternity.
80 credits remaining.
If you find you're lacking inspiration, try the randomizer, which randomly creates sounds by category. HiScore runs on both Mac and Windows computers. Use it standalone or with your favorite music production software and keyboard controllers. HiScore is for everyone. Whether you are a sound designer or composer for TV, film, or video game, or even make sounds for audiobooks, HiScore has it all. HiScore is already feature complete and fully fleshed out. Right now it's in the hands of beta testers, and it's on track for release this coming October 2020. Thanks for watching. Now back to making some music.
Game over.